Hello guys, Tsanko here from DRTS Web Works. In today's video I want to show you how you can add a custom button which is basically a WhatsApp chat somewhere here on your screen of your website. Firstly, I have done some changes. This is a complete custom code of a website, completely different to what it was in the past. So if you want to have a look at it, you can absolutely feel free to do it. Just go ahead, click in the browser, search field and put DRTSWebWorks.com and you will be able to see this, which is a complete HTML, CSS and some JavaScript. Right now we can order a website from here, which I want also as a button here somewhere. For example, if a client wants to order a website, can get in touch with me directly on WhatsApp and can text me. So we can click on our menu, we can go on to the article section, and this is my blog here where I post loads of articles about different stuff around the programming, web designing and basically building a custom website. So what we need to do now is we need to log into our backend. And then what we need to do is we need to install our plugin that is going to basically do the job for us to connect to WhatsApp and actually allow us to have a direct messaging with our customers. So you go into the adding a new plugin section, click on the button, then here in the search plugin area you can just put WP Chat App. There it is. So from Ninja Team, amazing plugin, it's absolutely for free. There is absolutely no reason for you not to install it and add it on your website. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. So we are going to activate it now. Then you will see on the side menu here the WhatsApp is added and you need to add a new account. Account number or group chat, so you can put a whole group chat here or just put your account or just put your phone number there. I am personally going to put my phone number, but now for the demonstration purposes I'm going to put just a random number, and I will start with +44, which is the country code, in my case United Kingdom. We can put the predefined text as you can put like a short codes to output the page title and URL respectively, as you can see in the hints down there, or you can just put whatever you want. Show always available online, you can customize it, but this is in the pro version, and if you don't want to pay then obviously you need to keep it as always available online. Need help, chat with us. I will put do you want to buy a website or order a website, like this. We can choose our button is going to be rounded, is going to be square. I would personally prefer rounded, but I can always change a little bit later with custom CSS. If I keep it a square or round, doesn't matter. I can always change it a little bit with custom CSS. And then button background color we can change with anything. I would personally prefer in this case to keep it more customized to my website. And if you remember, let me just put it back on. So if you remember, my header color is this one here, which is with the code 7B0232. So let's go ahead and do it. So 7B0323. And let's hit enter. Button text color can remain white, or you can change it to anything you want. Then we can save the changes, or actually we can publish it straight away. We have the account name, which will be DRTS Web Works, and update. Now you have the option to add the button copying this short code, or you can go onto the settings initially and you can just, after add the cart button, if you have an online store, it's a good idea to add it after the cart button or after the description or after anywhere, basically long description or before add button, or select accounts to display. You can choose if you have more than one account, so for example like a chat or customer services or anything like this, you can just simply add it as an account and it will all come down as a list in a column, and you can just choose which kind of an account should start straight. You can do a third-party integration, but unfortunately this is only for the pro version of the plugin. Then we can enable it this way, and let's put it as, I will do it as a custom position. Google Analytics Pro, you have the Facebook Pixel Pro, and the WhatsApp URL you can open as a new, like a new tab or a new window. URL for desktop, URL for mobile, I will put both of them to have them. Save changes. Do we have a floating widget? We have this one, and there it is. You can see the floating widget is here. Now we need to start a conversation, but I will change this one and I will say, how can I help today? We can choose a message that stays underneath. We can put some GDPR notice because we are basically surrounded by Europe, so we need to have the tick here getting approved by the client before they do it. Then we can do the display settings, show on desktop, show on mobile, show on all pages, or you can just customize it. In my case, it will be on all pages, and then save changes. Let's go back to our home page and see what's going on. There it is. This is our custom widget. We can approve this. Then we can click on WhatsApp. It will ask us if we want to open the actual app. Obviously we're not going to open it and text ourselves, plus the phone number is not really a phone number. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with friends, and enjoy. Use it. It's absolutely for free plugin. There is absolutely no excuse. If you need something like this to make your website more customized, just do it. It's amazing plugin, completely for free. See you later, guys. All the best. Look after yourself and stay safe.